Yeah, welcome to my channel, Global Effect 1969. Today, what I got for you today, Super Clean sent me some product here, and I did a video. Actually, I've done two videos on them already. And one of them, I used this right here to clean the oven. This one right here, I used to clean the rim on my vehicle, my truck. And I got those videos up, coming up after this introduction video that I'm doing right here. They did not pay me to do a video for their product or nothing. They asked me if I would do it. I said yeah. Afterwards, after I said yeah, they told me to send me a shirt and a hat, and I like the hat, pretty cool. I will be using it while I'm cutting yards or doing any other videos I do like that. So I'm not getting paid or nothing, but with YouTube policy, I gotta let y'all know that it was sent for me for free, and that's why I made this video like this. This actually worked pretty good. I liked it because they cleaned the rim pretty good. And you can go watch in a little bit here. I'll have a video I'll post up at the end there. I'll post up where you can click and watch the video where I clean the rim on the truck. And I use these two products in the oven right there. I use this one and I use this one towards the end to finish cleaning the oven inside the oven. That oven was filthy, man, but it came out pretty clean. I mean, I've seen these videos where people are promoting product and they go in there and they clean the stuff and say, oh man, it came out clean. And you look at it, it's like the stuff was basically clean already. But like, what did you really show? On my video, you're actually going to see that it cleaned that sucker because it was like pretty filthy, that oven. It got it cleaned up pretty good. And I'll even show you the top part where it's still dirty. I didn't do the top part inside the oven, but I did the side and the bottom and the door, the open, the glass door. They come out pretty clean. Anyway, go check out my videos on the Super Clean and go check out my other videos. I got a bunch of other videos up there too. Or you can click on one by one and go look at all of them. Well, 1, 2, 3, you can go look at. Or you can subscribe. If you subscribe first, that'd be better. Let's put it this way. 1, subscribe. Then go watch these two on this products. And then go watch my other videos on my channel. Go check it out, man. These two videos, all my videos, well, a bunch of my videos. Definitely subscribe so you can watch more. I'd like that. I'd appreciate it.